Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, it looks as though the story of these Nigerian pastors is a story that keeps on repeating because it's a story that we seem to be revisiting on this channel every so often. So when you think you've covered it all, another one pops up and you feel the need to address it again. So I'm going to play you a video clip and then we'll come back. Yeah? So there you saw a video clip of a Shembe pastor arriving in a luxury car whilst his followers are kneeling down and kowtowing as if he was the second coming. Now, this show of shame is shocking but not surprising because it's not something that I think is news to anybody. It's not something that I haven't seen before, and it's not something that you haven't seen before, and it's not something that we're not likely to see again. Is this understanding though of the Christian faith, the understanding of the Christian faith, and what is the alignment between this sort of showings that we've seen, because we've seen it on several platforms in several arenas, and we've seen it repeat again and again. So what is now the way forward from this continuous show of shame? So you can see the opulence with which the guy arrived, and you can see the people that are following him. So you can see the dichotomy there is quite marked and quite visceral, and you can see it immediately all in one shot of that little video that you just saw. So that video tells the whole story that you really need or want to know about the system and how these things are done. So now we've seen that, but what do we make of it, and how do we address it, and how do we view it, and what is the way forward? So let's talk ways forwards in the comment section. But before we go talk ways forward in the comment section, click on the subscribe button so it goes from red to gray. Click on the bell button as well so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Once you've done both, let's come talk Shembe pastors and luxury cars in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. I'll meet you in the comment section and I'll say peace.